Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes students, today I will tell you the concept of multiplication. Yes, different types of multiplication I will tell you how to do. Yes, and students, it's very important for the multiplication that you must know the multiply tables. So daily do the practice of the multiply tables, do the written practice and learn all the tables by heart. Yes, students, today I will tell you the sums relating to 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 exercise. Yes, and for this, take your books and notebooks with me, and here we start. Yes, students, see how to solve these sums. For example, multiply multiply 1234 by 6. How to solve this sum? Firstly, we will write the sum like this. Yes, and here firstly we will multiply 6 and 4. 6 4s the 24. 6 4s the 24. From here we will write 4 and 2 will be carried over. And 2 will be carried over. Now 6 3 is the 18, and this 2 will be added in 18. 6 3 is the 18 and plus 2 it will be 20. From 20 we will write 0 and this 2 will be carried further. Yes, now 6 2 is the 12 and this 2 will be added. 6 2 is the 12 and plus 2 14. Yes, from 14 we will write 4 and 1 will be carried over. Now 6 1s the 6 and this 1 will be added, it will become 7. So here we got 7404. Yes, here we have done the multiplication with one digit. Yes, like this you will do this multiplication. Now see one more example relating to this. Multiplied by 5. Yes. Here firstly 5 5s the 25. Yes, these both will be multiplied. 5 5s the 25. From 25 we will write only 5 and 2 will be carried over. Yes, now this 2 will be carried over. Now 5 4s the 20 and this 2 will be added in that. 5 4s the 20 and plus 2 it will become 22. From 22 we will write here only ones place digit, that is 2, and this digit will be carried to next. Yes, now 5 3 is the 5 will be multiplied by this 3. 5 3 is the 15 and this 2 will be added in that. It will become 17. From 17 we will write 7 and 1 will be carried to next digit. Yes, 5 2 is the, now this 5 will be multiplied by 2. 5 2 is the 10 and plus 1 it will become 11. In this way we got this product. Yes friends. Now after that, multiplication with 2 digits. Multiplication with 2 digits. For example, yes, multiply 2346 by 17. How to do this multiplication, that is with 2 digits? Yes, firstly we will write the statement like this. Yes, here you can do this calculation in your rough work. Firstly 2346 it will be multiplied by 7. It will be multiplied by 7. After that, the same number 2346, this will be multiplied by 1. it will be multiplied by 1. Yes. Now after that I will tell you what will be the writing style. Now 7 6 the 42. 7 6 the 42. From 42 we will write here 2 and 4 will be carried. Yes. 7 4s the 28 plus 4. It will become 32. From 32 we will write here 2 and 3 will be carried over. Now 7 3 is the 21. 7 3 is the 21 plus 3. It will become 24. 2 will be carried. 7 2 is the 14 plus 2 16. So we got here 16,422. Yes. Now second product, it will be multiplied by 1. Here 4, here 3, here 2. Yes. Now see how to write this. Firstly 2346 multiplied by 7 is here. So we got this product. We will write 16,422. After that 2346 multiplied by 1. How we will write this? Here ones place digit. We will write nothing here. So we will draw cross. Under 2 we will not write anything. So we have drawn here cross. Yes. Now next product is 2346 is multiplied by 1. So we will start writing from here. Second product we will start writing from here and we will move to left side. Yes. Here 6 we got 2 3 4 6. We will start from 6. Here 4, here 3, here 2. Yes. After this these both will be added. Yes. See carefully how to write this. Yes. Now these both will be added. And students, take care that while writing the digits, these must be in arranged form. Yes. So that our addition should be right. Yes. 2 and here is nothing. Cross means nothing. 2 and nothing, it means it will be only 2. 2 and 6 added, it will become 8. 4 plus 4, 8, 6, 3, 9, 2 and 1, 3. So we got this product as an answer. Yes. Now I will tell you one more example relating to this so that it will be more clear to you. Yes. Now see 4,321 multiplied by 34. Here you can see 4,321. First it will be multiplied by 4. 4,321 multiplied by 4. Yes. In second product 4,321 multiplied by 3. Here two digits are there. Firstly 4,321 it will be multiplied by 4. Then 4,321 it will be multiplied by 3. Yes. Now see how to multiply. 4 1s the 4, 4 2s the 8, 4 3s the 12, 1 carry will be there. 4 4s the 16 and 1 17. Yes, we got 17,284. Yes, what we will write here? 17,284. Yes, and cross will be here. Now we will do the second product. 3 1s the 3, 3 2s the 6, 3 3s the 9, 3 4s the 12. Yes, we got 12,963. How we will write this? We will start from 3 and we will write like this. See it carefully how to write. If your writing style will be wrong, then your sum will be wrong. So write it carefully. 3, after that 6, then 9, then 2 and 1. 1 will be out of this range. Yes. So we will write as it is. Now these both will be added. Now 4 and cross. It will be 4, 8 and 3, 11, 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3 and 6, 9, 7 and 9, 16, 1 carry, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4. Here 1 left, only 0. So we got 1,46,914 as the product. Yes friends. Hope you are getting all these. Now next is multiplication by 3 digits. Firstly, we have done multiplication by 1 digit, then 2 digits. Now see how to multiply by 3 digit. These are the sums relating to your 3.5 exercise. Yes, in 3.5 exercise you can see there are the sums relating to the 3 digits. See how to solve these. First we will write the number, statement sum. We will write like this. Here you can see the product will be done in 3 parts. Yes, firstly 3030, it will be multiplied by 1. 3030, it will be multiplied by 1. Yes, after that 3030, it will be multiplied by 2. Then 3030, it will be multiplied by 3. Yes, now when we will multiply it by 1, but we will start writing from here. Yes, here 0, 9. Yes, then again 0, then 9. Yes, now see these 3 will be added now. Here 0 will be there, 3 and 0 and cross. Here 3 will be there, 6 and 0s, 6 will be there, 9 and 3, 12, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7, here 9. So we got 9,72,630. Yes friends, now see one more example relating to this multiplication so that it may become more clear to you. And when you will do these sums by yourself, then these sums will be more clear to you. Yes. Six thousand 666 multiplied by 111. Yes. Here 6,666 multiplied by 1, second time again by 1, and third time again by 1. Yes, so we will do multiplication by 1 time only, and other times we will just write that answer same. Here 6, here 6, and here 6. Same you will get here because same numbers are there, and same you will get here. Yes, now see the writing style. Firstly, we will write with 1 cross, we will write second product, and with 2 crosses we will write third product. And now these 3 will be added. Yes, here only 6, here 6 and 6, 12, 1 will be carried, 6 and 1, 7, and 6, 13, and 6, 19. 1 again carry, 18 and 1, 19, again 1 carry, 13, and here 7. So we got 7,39,926. So in this way we can do this triple product. Yes. Now next is lattice method of multiplication. That also you have done in class 3. Hope you are remembering that. Those who are not remembering, I will repeat for them. Yes, and I will tell you how to do lattice method of multiplication. Yes friends, there is exercise 3.6 relating to this method. So see how we will do this. I am going to tell you 425 multiplied by 37. Yes, this multiplication we do using lattice method. Yes, now see here are the 3 numbers. And here 2. Here it is a box of 4, it is a box of 2, and it is a box of 5. Yes, then 37, 3 here and 7 here. After After that we will divide these boxes diagonally in two parts like this. Yes, now this 3 will be multiplied by these three numbers. 5 3 is the 15. We will write like this. Then 3 2 is the 6 is there, but here we are having two boxes, so how we will write 6? 0 6. Then 3 4 is the 12. Yes. Now 7 will be multiplied by three numbers. 7 5 is the 35. Then 7 2 is the 14. Then 7 4 is the 28. Now what will be the next step? See here. Here is only 5. So we will write here 5. Yes. After that, sorry, we will write it here. This is 5. Then these will be added diagonally. You can see here how to add these. These will be added diagonally like this. Yes, 5 and 3 8 and 4 12. We will write here 12. Then 1 6 1 8. These will be added 1 6 7 and 1 8 8 and 8 16. We will write here 16. After that 2 2 and 0. These will be added. We will get 4. Now this one left, it will be written like this. Now here we cannot write this product using these two numbers. So how we will write the answer? Firstly, we will write 5. Here 12 is there. We will write 2 from 12 and 1 will be carried over to the next number. Yes, here 12 was there. We have written only 2 and this 1 will be carried to the next. Already there was 16 and plus 17. But we will write only 7 and 1 will be carried to the next number. Yes, 4 and 1 5 and this 1. So which answer we got? This is the answer that we get, 15,725. Yes friends, this is the LaTeX method of multiplication. I want to tell you one more example relating to this so that it may be more clear to you. See. That is 273 by 34 using LaTeX method. Yes, now 273. So this direction will having 3 boxes. Then here 2 7 3 and 34 is here, and all these boxes will be divided diagonally. See, firstly 3 will be multiplied with all these three numbers. 3 3 is a 9. 9 is one digit, but here we are having 2 boxes. So how we will write? Like this, we will write 9. Now 3 7 is the 21. 3 2 is the 6. Then this 4 will be multiplied with the three numbers. 4 3 is the 12. 4 7 is the 28. 4 2 is the 8. Now see, this is the important part to see here, that how to add these. We will only add these numbers diagonally, and you can see here in this box only 2 is there, so we will write here 2, and in this box 9 1 and 8 is there, so we will add these three numbers. Yes, 8 and 1 9 and 9 18. We will write here 18. After that 0 1 2 8. 8 and 2 10 and 1 11. We will write here 11. Then 6 and 2 8. Here is 0. So how we will get our answer? See here carefully. This 2 will be written as it is. Here is 18, but we will write only 8 and 1 will be carried to 11. Yes, 11 plus 1, 12. Again 1 carried, it will be carried to this 8. 8 and 1, 9, and this 0 will be written. And before the product we are not writing any 0, so we will not write this. So we get 9282 as the product using the LaTeX method. Yes friends, hope you have understood all the concepts of the multiplication, all the methods of the multiplication. With this, with the help of this video, you are able to do all the multiplication sums of the chapter multiplication. Hope for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.